Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to be doing in today's video is going through a product that's selling well right now on eBay. This strategy will help you to find good products to sell on eBay and make money online. So I'm sure that you are definitely going to get value out of this video. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. You are definitely going to learn a lot in terms of what you need to look out for. So let's get right into the video. Before I'm going to show you a product that's selling really well right now in eBay. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps. So as you know, the first thing is go over to eBay. Second thing, I go over to Terabic. I use Terabic to check the sales rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba, check if I can import that product or not, to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature into Terabic. I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. I just want you to know that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available for us to use. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now in eBay. You are most likely going to have success with it. Depends on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. Let's jump right into the video. The product is premium 4K HDMI cable. You can make a lot of money from this particular product. As you can see here, 3,800 sold, and total revenue is almost 100%, 99% feedback. This seller making a lot of money from this one. The total price is $6. Now what you need to do is go and click on sold to know the last 100 transactions, and after that you need to go over to Terabic to know if the sales rate is good or not. This step is very important. Now what you need to do is go over to Terabic and search for premium 4K HDMI cable to know exactly how this product is doing well or not. And before that, what you need to do, you need to click on new and fix the price and best of accepted. Now as you can see here, the sales rate is good. The sales rate is 35%, and total item sales is $6,800, and total sold is almost $10,000. It's easy to make money from this particular product. What you need to do, you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller he made over $11,000, and here the seller made over $10,000. As you can see here, you make a lot of money from this one here. You can start with this product, and trust me, you can make a lot of money. As you know, what we need to do, we need to go over to Alibaba.com to see if we can import this product or not. As you know, we need to go now. So let's go to Alibaba.com and search for this product. Now what we need to do, we need to type in premium 4K HDMI cable and click search. Now what we need to do after that, we need to scroll down and see suppliers. The suppliers. Now as you can see here, this supplier has been on there for almost 18 years. Wow, brilliant. And here this supplier has been on there for almost 3 years, and here 7 years, and here again this supplier has been on there for almost 18 years. Amazing. Now what you need to do, you need to start making money and drop shipping in eBay, and you need to pick one and message him for what you want. Now you can start your eBay store with this product. It's easy and simple to start and make money from it. Just you need to start. This strategy will help you to find good products to sell on eBay. So if you decide to sell this product, what I will do if I wanted to sell this product is that I would brand my store around. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a comment below. Stay safe.